Ishvector, many thanks for speaking with Headlines today. We have with us another contestant from that reality show, Palak. Palak, you shared a good rapport with Fiza Muhammad is what we understand. Did she ever confide in you about her relationship with Chand Muhammad and whether it could drive her to a situation where she might be forced to take her own life? Palak, we'd ask you to turn down your television audio so that you can hear us properly.
Yeah, actually I met her in the 2010 in that show, Jungle Se Mujhe Bachao. That time we were very close in that show. So she was almost like very close to me in the show. She was very, very close to me, and when we were in the show, she used to tell me about this Muhammad Chand. This man, what his name is? Chand Muhammad. I don't know what his exactly name, Chandra Mohan. Yeah. So she used to tell me about his husband, Chandra Mohan. She used to tell, do you think he will be with me forever or he will leave me? I think he will leave me. You know, she used to tell me this kind of things to me. She was actually in depression, and she was like very, very scared about losing that guy, losing that man, Chandra Mohan. She once told me, she called me once in 2011, in that time she told me Chandra Mohan came to my home and he called all the media people, and now he's coming back to me, and he told in front of media that he is going to be with me forever and now he won't leave me. This is what she told me. I told her, are you sure he's not going to leave you? She said, I think it's a political thing, that's why he came to me. Maybe he wants to win people's heart by coming back to me. That's what she told me. I said, just be normal, just let it be. जैसा भी है रहने दो अभी, तुम थोड़ा भी अगर वो तुम्हारे पास वापस आया है, just be happy for that. That time she told me, I'm still very confused about Chandra Mohan. I really can't trust him this time because what he did last time with me. That's what she told me last time when she called me.
Palak, also did she ever share with you any incidents of anybody spying on her, or did she suspect people keeping tabs on her, because those were the allegations she made against her neighbors?
Yeah, no. She told me once in her, she told me that once she was at home, उसके घर पे shoot out हुआ था, किसी ने उसके घर पे shoot करवाया था. Luckily she escaped very badly. That time she told me I'm very scared because कुछ लोग मेरे घर के बाहर आके गुंडागर्दी करके गए. I lost the complaint as well. She told me this thing. She was very scared to stay at home. Even though she told me I don't go out anywhere, even if I want something like I want to go to parlor or anywhere, I call everyone at home and I always be at my home and my room. I don't go out from my room, and she was totally under depression.
Palak, did she name anybody from whom she felt any sort of threat, and did she ever complain to the police about this?
Yeah, she told me. I complained once about the shootout, what happened in her residence, and I asked her, what do you think, who did it? That time she told me, I have a strong doubt on his brother, Bishnoi. I don't know what his exactly name, I don't know, but she told me that. I don't know, she was just, guessing, or I don't know, she was not clear actually. She was actually taking random names. I was not clear. That's what she told me. I don't know what is actually truth behind all this.
Palak, many thanks for speaking with Headlines today. Palak was a contestant on a reality TV show with Fiza Muhammad. She did confide in her quite a bit, as is evident from what Palak is saying. Manaman Singh Cheena, our correspondent, is still with us. Manaman, did she make any complaints to the police about anybody threatening her?
I have been making such complaints at regular intervals, not only against the family of Chandra Mohan, but also against the neighbors. And there was there were several cases pending in the court also pertaining to misbehavior of the neighbors and counter charges by the neighbors. As far as the family goes, there was never any specific allegation, but yes, she would repeat off and on that she fears for herself as far as the family of Chandra Mohan is concerned.